sis, mayroon. Mayroon, okay.
No.
Mayroon.
Step una, pagalingan ko, kahit magmahal, kakayanin ko.
Yeah.
Wow, grabe! Ganda naman. Ayan, handa ka na po ba, DJ Cute?
Good luck you.
Taga Manila po ako.
Okay.
Mamaon.
Lawan lang kahit naulan. Alright, the mic is yours. Good luck. Galingan mo.
One moment. Hey. Day I live, I want to be, I take to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finish day is yet out. No, I broke my heart for every day to take the lead. I face the pain. I just want it to the eye. One moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When I'm a dream, I sit away, and the answer all up to me. Keep me one moment in time when the rain we got I'm blessed to be the best I want it all, no time for me. I'm late to play, no late to change in my head. Give me one moment in time when my mother died, I could be. When I'm a kid, I had to away, and the answer are up to me. Give me one moment in time when the rain keeps me one moment in time, make it count. Give me one moment in time when no matter the God I could be. When I'm a kid, I had away, and the answer I all up to me. Give me one moment in time when the rain we got today.
PE Family Head Founder Mikay. Alam mo DJ Cute, hindi mo inisip kung anong kapansanan meron ka kahit mahirapan kang magbigkas, pero pinaglaban mo talaga, pinakita mo kung gaano ka confident, sa energy, sa confident, nandun talaga. Stage performance, nandun ka. Ang kulang lang talaga sa iyo is yung pagbigkas, no? So kung ako ang mag-judge sa iyo, napasukin kita. Okay, pero nandito tayo ngayon sa ating mga judges. Cupcake.
Hello, DJ Cute!
Shoot up din ng pagkakapit.
Hello, ang galing-galing mo naman. Nakaka-proud talaga yung mga ano ba. So, wala talaga ako masabi. Opo, shout out ko yung Team Uno. Hi sa Team Uno dyan sa
Andyan po
baba.
ang founder namin, si Daddy Uno.
Ah.
Daddy Uno.
Daddy Uno, shout out. Ang galing-galing talaga ni DJ Cute. So, wala talaga ako masabi. Mag-yes talaga ako sa'yo. Yun. Thank you.
DJ Cute, may isang yes ka, tapos sa isa sa GC merong isang judge nag-yes doon at sa isang may nag-no. So, meron kang isang no, meron kang dalawang yes. Isang yes lang kailangan mo makapasok ka sa semi, ha? Okay, DJ Blue.
Yes, DJ Cute. Gusto ko yung confidence mo, yung stage presence mo, at saka I love the way you sing. At sana patuloy mo yan kasi nabibigay ka ng kasiyahan sa akin. Maraming salamat.